good, right? I can't shift. Huh? I can't shift. Feel my front suspension's a little too stiff. I find myself sometimes too far over the handlebars. This looks good. All right. Yeah, third gear's best. It's doing good. I mean, that bike is awesome. When I rode that sucker, I was totally I'm going left just to see where this goes. Yeah. Man, the way I was able to pull those hills on that thing though, it was light, it was good. Chug. I went left again. Nice. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. I think so. For me. Either that or I'm just not feeling it today. Which could be. Whoa, shit. This is where you're gonna go head on into somebody. I'm coming. All right, there we go. You feel it in the front is where you feel it in the steering. But I gotta tell you, I like the 4-stroke luggability. I've been doing this, I'm just kind of putting around in third gear. I just pop it up to third and I'm barely moving. It's like tut, 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 tut. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up to where it was. Okay, it's about a quarter. I don't know. Do it again. A little bit of... Try now. That sounds...
You know what? Come in the thing. That's how I fixed my bike at a high idle, or the hanging idle, was turning the idle screw down when you just put it in.
Yeah. I think there's a formula between the two. The test will be, will it die in gear when I'm holding? I don't know which video said it, but it said don't be afraid to mess around with it. You always know what base is. Well, yeah, that feels good there. All right, we're going straight down. I think. No, I think. Yeah. Where the hell does this thing go? That is tight. But we got more ice and snow. Let's go up some more, I guess. Oh! We might want to put the sucker in a new gear. You see my rear tire just go sideways? Yeah, I just went sideways. Yeah, we came down that hill right there. I had no choice there. It just slid right out. Oh. You good? I'm just going sideways. See that canyon?
Yeah, we've been on that over there, I think. I think we've been on a lot of this shit we just forget.
Yeah. Can't even tell there was a trail here. It goes down. Let's go up here. Yeah, I don't think it goes here. Here. Doesn't matter if you're here or on that side. But, oh shit. Yep. Oh shit! I almost died. I almost hit that boulder straight on because my front end gave way. No, my front end just slid into it. It barely missed it. My leg went over it. God damn. Did this. We just did a circle. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah, I don't want to do this again. Should probably put it in second. God, I'm sliding everywhere.
What are we doing on board we can't ride?
Stickers.
Doesn't need to be done, right?
Get horsepower.
More horsepower stickers, yeah. Alrighty.
Oh, Jesus. Oh. Actually, took it pretty good. I smell 4-stroke. Yep, I'm ready. Oh yeah, easy. I'm chugging now. Yep, we have. Look at you. Rom rom. Oh yeah, that's a tight one. I'm gonna slow down on this one. Mission accomplished. Oh, Jesus. Sure, it's a little loose. Oh, and a little rocky. A lot rocky. Oh, my short damn legs. I'm in the snow. Yeah, that's a good show off. Oh yeah, definitely your line was a lot better. Okay, we're gonna need a little breather time. Woo! God damn. There we go. Huh? Oh yeah, there you go. Momentum to the snow is a must. Yeah, we're good. We're good now. Oh shit, slid out again. Fucking tire. Oh. That's good. Lost you. Whew. Yeah. Second would have been better. Yeah. Bike's running good though. I hear you squealing. You're squealing. Yeah. Yeah, I think we resolved my idle issue. So that's a bonus. Oh, big one.